Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. So as you guys can see by today's title, today we are doing a little tutorial on this eye look right here. It is a super quick and easy, like last minute, rushing out the door because you have like 20 minutes to get ready for your Valentine's Day date. Valentine's Day look. So the entire base makeup is pretty much the exact same that I usually do. So just do your normal base. And I included the lips and the eye look in this tutorial. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little look. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this, then just keep on watching. Let's go. So I am going to be taking the Huda Beauty New Nude palette and the nude shade right there up in the top middle on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just working this from outer to inner corner, just buffing this. You do not have to be precise with this at all. Just move it around and get a nice wash of color so that everything else can blend nicely. Next we are going in with this beautiful mauve shade on the exact same brush and just packing it on the outer third of the eye. And then I flip the brush around, as you can see there, just to kind of diffuse the color going upward. So start with a little bit, you can always add more. Same thing, work it from outer corner to inner corner. And as you get less product on the brush, then you start to blend upward. We're just going to do the exact same thing and just build up that pigment yet again until it's the intensity that you want. Next, on my tried and true 242 brush from MAC, we're going in with the star of the show and some setting spray and just packing that literally from inner corner, pretty much overlapping that shade. This doesn't have to be precise, literally just drag it from like the very inner corner of your eye up into your crease and over top of the other shadow. Keep spraying it if you need to and keep adding layers. I had to do it like 2 or 3 layers just to build it up to the intensity that I wanted, but this look is so easy. Like you can see I'm just literally washing the color across right over top. Then we're just going to take a tiny pencil brush and we're going to go in with this deep shade right here, and we are going to just deepen up that outer corner ever so slightly just to give it a little bit more dimension over there. And then you can see that's pretty much what the eyes look like. Just taking that exact pencil brush and not putting any additional shadow, using whatever's on there and just buffing it on the outer third of the bottom lash. Now I'm using this Buxom lip liner, which I don't even know what it's called, but I'll link it down below. And literally just filling in my entire lips with it. And that's going to be the base of our actual lip color. I am overlining my lips a little bit here, but yeah, I wanted them to be extra juicy for Valentine's Day. You can opt this out and do a matte lip if you prefer, just because if you're going out for dinner, then it won't transfer as easily, but I've been into the gloss lately. Next, just going in with a little white Russian from Buxom. I also just popped on a random pair of big lashes, and boom, that's it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am absolutely obsessed with how this turned out. It actually took me like 10 minutes to do this eye look, with lashes included. Like, it is so quick. I used this new Huda Beauty Nude palette for like the first time. Shit, that's been nice. This applies beautifully. The blending is amazing. I literally used 3 brushes and it took me 30 seconds. And not gonna lie, your girl's feeling cute with this eye look. Your girl's feeling cute. So yeah, you could pair this with anything, like a black dress, a white dress. You could actually pair it with the red dress if you wanted to and just deepen up the outer corner a little bit more. Or you could pair it with mauve like I did. This is just a little bodysuit that I got from, where did I get this from? Dynamite? I don't know. This is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you get my videos when they are live on YouTube. And that is all for now. I have filmed 2 videos today, so I'm feeling pretty accomplished. I hope that you guys like it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.